What's going on, guys? Levitate here. It's about 2 in the morning right now, and half group is here, the other half is asleep. And my name is Marshall.
I'm Blake.
Serge. What's going on, guys? I'm Chris, and it's my garage behind me. So Marshall, what are we doing today, dude?
So a couple weeks ago I bought a Corksport short ram intake, and it arrived, and we're gonna see what we got in store for us today. Alright, so here's a Corksport box. Let's see what we got in here. Got a couple papers. Who gives a need that? Alright, got a couple clamps. I don't know what this goes to, but don't touch that. It's mine. It's not your intake. Alright, we got we got a trash bag with silicone in it. I think that goes on the manifold, I believe. They gave me some stickers, Corksport stickers.
We're sponsored, so only our first video, but
alright. We got Power Series intake system, maybe a sensor or something like that. And the cool thing about these intakes, you can customize what kind of filter color you want, silicone color you want, and I chose black on black on black.
and it comes in a separate box.
It does. Filter is right here, so. That's it.
Alright guys, time to rip this shitbox intake back to the 9th realm. Looks like we take some clips,
You're paying for that.
and some screws and sensors, and that looks about it, and we'll be right back with you.
Alright guys, so that piece of shit intake is out. Honestly, I think we should just keep it like this. Because let's be honest, I don't think there's anything that will make this car run any better.
Yeah. In seriousness though, it was pretty easy. Clips, bolts, and one thing is take off the mass airflow sensor off of the old intake and just keep it on the side. Also disconnect the negative side of the battery, and now we're gonna assemble the new Corksport intake, and hopefully this car actually it turns on.
Alright, so he got most of the intake like put together. He's just trying to fit it to his car now. It's hard though, because like this hasn't been heated up yet from like it being on, so it doesn't want to fit around the other one.
Oh my god!
Of course you didn't do
Shit. You're too fancy drinking a Corksport.
After this, from those in my hoodie teeth.
So, put the intake back on, plugged in, or I put my mass airflow sensor back on it. Put a new breather tube on it. Took the old one out. We're gonna see if this this other breather tube has any effect after I turn it on, and then yeah.
Works well.
Alright, so we finished installing the intake. It's pretty easy. Just the clamps and bolts, sensors, plugging in the new hose.
The hose you had a Jimmy rig.
Oh yeah, so there was the
The
vacuum hose, yeah, and we just put a bolt in there. Come back to us, guys, for future videos. We have a lot of content coming in. Follow our Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff.